Hello and welcome back to another Top Biz Guides tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact When I Work in order to submit a ticket, even get live support, or view Help Center articles and relevant information that may be helpful in setting up the account and getting up and running with When I Work. So what we'll do is we'll click over here, the little Need Help button that appears in green on the right middle part of our screen. We'll see that comes opening up, and the first thing that I see on the bottom is that it's sorted into the different categories to make it easier to reference according to my needs. So for example, if I'm just starting with When I Work and I've just opened my account, maybe I'll find something helpful here. But if I want something that's more operational, for example, my scheduling or my time clock, I'll know where to look. Another option is also to check the training center. Previously, I was looking for an article regarding admin permissions. I wanted to know what the difference between an admin and a supervisor and a manager, what the difference between their access to the platform was. And I wasn't able to find it here. Maybe I just wasn't looking hard enough. But through the training center, I was able to find the relevant article. I just typed in admin access, and then it gave me the user access privileges, which covers the different access that each user has at When I Work. So if you're not finding a relevant article somewhere over here or by searching over here, make sure to check out the training center as well, not just view help. Now let's say that you encounter some sort of issue in your account and you want to let When I Work know about it. So you might think to just email them, but there's actually a designated place to do this, so you can submit a ticket. And what's nice about this is that you can actually enter your email address here and where you're accessing When I Work from, but what's nice about it is that it gets auto-populated, so they know your email address and they fill it out already, and since I'm using my computer right now, it filled out that portion as well. So I could change it if I wanted to, but it's nice that they save you some time, and it's just a quality of life thing here, which is nice to see. Now, if I want to chat with When I Work, so let's say that I'm not sure if it's an issue in the platform or not, or let's say that I browsed the help center but I wasn't able to find what I was looking for, and I still have a question that's on my mind and I want to talk to someone. So you can actually chat with When I Work as well and get live customer support, which is quite nice to see. I haven't tested this out yet, but it's nice to see that you can actually talk to a real person. Now the last thing I want to show you, just so that you'll keep in mind, is that if you click on Need Help, but for some reason don't see any of these options, okay? So if you click on Need Help and you only see the bottom actions like it appears now, it might be because this button was pressed on accident. So if you're only seeing the things that are reported here, and you're missing the top section of the Help Center, make sure to click this little button over here, and then it should come back and you should be able to submit a ticket, chat with When I Work, view the training center, or whatever else it is that you need help with. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next one.